Oh damn. See. What's this? God damn. Y'all, I don't know how to see comments on YouTube. Me have 90 people I watch, but me don't know how to see comments. Me don't know. Me just see a blank screen and asking. But moving on. Alright, this is a bag I done. Y'all, so I got two of this. It shows that it lights up. This is how it lights up in your room. Anyway, you put it and it look good enough. So I decide to I can put this phone in my stream. I'm a place right there, so I'm just stream the, and it's purple. It's a butterfly. So I get two of them. You can go up on like side of it. And then no, me I was freaking out. I saw this. That was for $6.99. I saw this, and this is for $5.99. It can hold flossing and cute pick and everything. Come in a cute like a set like that. So I'm gonna get that. It's $5.99 for it. And then y'all know I gotta catch a flight, baby. So I see this, and it did cheap, $9.99. So I buy it. After I buy it, I think after I buy it, I say to myself, say, I should have buy it in a pink. I should have buy it in a black or something, but pink just give one vibe. So I just say, oh, let's go with it. And if you know me, girl, anytime you're trying to get me something, get me handbag, heels, and shoes. Mighty God, this look good. Bap. I wear front there. I see it and say, cha. And then it just land right. It not the too long, too short. It just right. I'm sitting there and say, no, sir, I have to buy this. It looks so nice. Look at it. Look like this. Look at it at the back. And so, yeah, man, it's happening. It go on. No money in there. No money in there. And you know what? My bag has so much money in it, you know. You never come live with $1 million. See that? And again, I have to come back again with another bed set slippers. If you know me, I love house slippers. I love them. I have a whole heap of them. I mean, I like the one that you just push in your foot. I like the one that when you push in your foot, it covers the whole of your foot. And I always buy bigger size. So I wear 7, I buy 8. If I wear 8, I buy 9. Because I like them bigger than my foot. It's more comfortable. You know we can buy for me Ice and I buy for Louie. I know this kind of look girly, but this was the smallest one. I could have only 9 kg. And I decided, you know, I'm going to buy it for him. So, yeah, Louie, here. Let's see if him like it. Louie. Something else in my look for me. I have nothing for him. Who do you want? I still can't see my YouTube comments. I don't know why.